this project, I started with a 14 by 14 inch canvas that I had pre-painted with gesso. Then I traced out a pumpkin on it, and then I took resin and I put it in the area that I wanted the pumpkin to be. Then I took Celestial reflective fire glass that I had gotten on Amazon, and I put that, this is gold, and I put this in the area where I wanted the pumpkin to be, right where I had put the resin. Then after I was done putting that all down, I took some more resin and I put it in the shape of a stem, and I took some green glass. This is glass I picked up at Dollar Tree every once in a while back in their section where they have the stones and the garden supplies. You'll find some glass in all different colors, and I just happened to have some green glass, and I put that down for the stem, and then I drizzled resin all over the entire pumpkin just to make sure everything would be held down well. The main reason I did this the day before was so that the resin that I pour on it the next day, which is going to be a colored resin, so that it does not seep underneath the pumpkin. I wanted it just to be clear resin underneath the pumpkin, and this will help prevent it from seeping underneath. And I let this dry overnight. The next day I took some Rolio mica powder that I had picked up on Amazon. It comes in a pack of 24 real sparkly colors. I took the white pearl, which you see there, and I mixed it in some resin. And then I poured that over the entire project, but not over any of the Celestial glass. This pearl white is so beautiful. I'm not sure if you could recreate it with paint, maybe so, but I just thought it was so pretty. I thought it would make such a pretty background. And then I took the same green glass that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree, and I put that all at the bottom because I thought it needed more color. Now this resin with the mica powder is fairly translucent, so you have to make sure that your entire board is white. Otherwise, whatever you have there will show through, and you can see the little blue spot on the left side that I'm trying to cover up, but it does not cover it up. But you'll see what I do next. Next, I take this gold marker and put a border around the entire project after it has dried overnight. And I'm going to talk more about this at the very end of the video about the marker. It is an oil-based marker, and it's taken me a while to figure out what kind of markers you can use under resin so that they don't run. And like I said, I'll talk about that more at the end of the video. But I went around the entire border, including the glass, and got it on the glass so it made it like an even border all the way around it. And because I couldn't get in all the cracks and crevices there, what I had to do was to take the marker and dot it inside this little plastic cup, and it made a little pool of the paint. And then I took a little paintbrush and painted the glass in the little cracks and crevices that I couldn't get at with the marker itself. Next, I put a clear coat of resin over everything except for the pumpkin and the pumpkin stem, because that was held down real well. I feel like the green glass at the bottom is held down well also, but it was not shiny because it didn't have any resin on top of it. So I just spread this around, and then I took some VITRIGRAPH glass and I used that to put around the top of the pumpkin. And I took those bumblebees that I'm always putting on everything that I think are so cute and put 3 of those on there. So again, this has to sit at temperatures between 72 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit on a level flat surface overnight. It takes 72 hours to fully cure. This is art resin that I was using. Hey everyone, I hope you like the way this turned out. It's kind of plain, but I just thought it was so pretty with this sparkly gold glass. I've been wondering what I was going to do with this glass, but it is so pretty. Isn't that beautiful? And I love the gold around the edges. The only thing I would do different, I use this VITRIGRAPH glass here. And let me turn it from to the side a little bit, and this sticks up. So, I mean, it would just take a little whack and that would break off. So if I did it again, I would make sure this was flat on the surface, but there's, I can't do anything about it now. So, and this background here, this, I hope you can see how pretty it is. You might not, I should probably take it out into the sunlight, but that white mica powder that I put in the resin, it is just so pretty. I love it. And this is all oil-based marker, the gold metallic. And you know, this won't run with the resin on it. You have to use oil-based marker. It's taken me forever to figure it out, but I finally did. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If you did, give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel. And if you subscribe, you'll be notified of future videos. Hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching.